From powerful performances on television to winning hearts on the big screen, Vikrant Massey has come a long way. We are delighted to have you with us on the occasion of MOU signing between the Gujarat Tourism and the Film Fair. You come from a multicultural house and you know what diversity is. How important is it to understand the diversity and what the culture represents, and how do you think that Gujarat will be in the scenario?
It's firstly such an honor, such a pleasure to be here back in Gujarat. And as I said at my press briefing that I've lived here in the year 2007 and 8. So it's almost like homecoming for me. And like most of us know that last year in the year 2024, I was also honored with my first Filmfare Award for Best Actor here in Gujarat at Gift City, Ahmedabad. So it's wonderful to be a part of this delegation that comes here again for the second time in a row. And with regards to Gujarat, I think we all know that vibrant Gujarat जो है वो किसी कारण उसे कहा जाता है. It's one of the most multicultural states in the country. It is a true representative of the Indian spirit, its vibrancy, its color, its diversity, as we said. And I'm really thankful to the Honorable Chief Minister, Bhupendra Bhai Patel ji, and the Tourism Minister ji, Mulu Bhai Bera ji. And I think they are really generous to have us back here again. I think we had such an incredible time the last time. हमने सोचा कि चलो हम वापस गुजरात चले जाते हैं.
You have a special relation with Gujarat. You've lived here. If at all you want to shoot here, which will be those locations, that beautiful locations that you want to shoot?
I think the current tourism ministry is also doing some spectacular work. अभी थोड़ी देर पहले हमारी बात चल रही थी that unfortunately not a lot of people know that the state of Gujarat in India has the longest coastline, which is approximately 2,000 kilometers, and none of it unfortunately has been explored yet, especially in cinema. So maybe we can set up a base there. We can shoot at the wonderful coastline. Run of Kutch के बारे में सभी जानते हैं. So many movies have been shot there, and I think more movies should be shot there. And as we all spoke at the press briefing that the tourism ministry is also, the film division of the state government is also doing some spectacular work. I even shot a movie called Gaslight in Morbi and Wankaner. The entire film was shot there. So the infrastructure is giving us all these opportunities. The infrastructure is there. Mehsana is another place where you can definitely go and you can explore that place. बहुत सारी जगह हैं. सोमनाथ के बारे में सभी जानते हैं, द्वारकाधीश के बारे में सभी जानते हैं, पर और भी ऐसी बहुत सी जगह हैं जो अब तक अनटैप्ड हैं, अनएक्सप्लोर्ड हैं. तो उम्मीद है कि जो फिल्म डिवीजन है स्टेट गवर्नमेंट का वो भी बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहा है, एंड इन टैंडम विद द हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री and the Indian film industry. I think even regional cinema has so much scope to come here. People from down south can come here, from up north and far east can come here. I think सभी आ सकते हैं यहाँ पे.
So this film fair and Gujarat Tourism's MOU has definitely opened lots of opportunities for the tourism here, but it is equally beneficial for the Bollywood. How do you think as an actor would Bollywood actors contribute in this?
I think I can only speak for myself. I can't speak on behalf of others. As I said, it was such a wonderful feeling when Filmfare reached out to me to be a part of this delegation, because they know that I have lived here. I've spent some of the most formative years of my life in the state of Gujarat, and I would love to probably at some point want to come here, shoot another movie after Gaslight, contribute to the tourism economy, the state economy. And I think, as I said, the infrastructure is there. There is a single window stop for the film division to come here and set up base here, and I think more people should come in.
People often plan their vacations abroad. Yeah. They have different things in mind. What would you tell your fans about the incredible India and the tourism of India?
I think ये आपने बहुत ही, this is one of my favorite topics, and especially after Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji has spoken about this. हमारे यहाँ सब कुछ है. We have everything in our country, and to be very honest, कई बार मुझे अगर छुट्टी मिलती है तो मैं अहमदाबाद आके सिर्फ खाना खाने आता हूँ. Agashi is one of my favorite restaurants. I always go there, and I'm lucky to be seated on the same table as Honorable Prime Minister साहब. तो मैं वहाँ जाता हूँ, उसी टेबल पे बैठता हूँ, पूरी थाली खाता हूँ, वहीं रहता हूँ और अगले दिन वापस चले जाता हूँ. So I think tourism का बहुत scope है यहाँ पे. The names that I just spoke of, and not just Gujarat, I think all across India. And आत्मनिर्भर बनने की राह पे हम हैं. And I think with wonderful initiatives like Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat, I think all of us are walking towards the right path. And I think domestic tourism and also international tourism, I think this year we've seen stupendous growth with foreign tourists coming into India. And I think it's a great sign of things to come.
Thank you so much for speaking with us. Along with video journalist Sanket Dabekar, this is Rucha Kanulkar for Times Network, Gujarat.